Right, we've all been there, stuck in a car park, late for something important, and the bloody thing won't start. Or those mornings when the windscreen looks like something out of a horror film. But what if I told you there are simple tricks, clever hacks, to unlock your car's full potential, turning everyday frustrations into a distant memory? We're not talking about expensive gadgets or complicated mechanics, just good old-fashioned ingenuity using the things you probably already have lying around the house. Buckle up because we're about to transform your driving life. So it's a frosty morning, you're running late, and your car key is playing hard to get in the frozen lock. We've all been there, swearing under our breath, but hold on. Before you reach for the boiling water, never a good idea. Try this instead. Grab your trusty hand sanitizer. Yes, the stuff you carry everywhere these days. The alcohol in it acts as a brilliant de-icer. Squeeze a bit onto your key, work it into the lock, and watch the ice surrender. It's like magic, but with a slightly clinical smell. We've all been victims of the dreaded cup holder too small dilemma. You're juggling a supersized coffee and your phone, wishing you had an extra pair of hands. Fear not, my friend. The solution is simpler than you think. Grab a clean shoe. Yes, you heard me right. A sturdy shoe acts as a brilliant cup holder extender, providing that much-needed extra space. Just make sure it's clean unless you fancy your latte with a hint of eau de gym sock. Driving through fog is bad enough, but when your own windows are fogged up, it's a recipe for disaster. But before you spend a fortune on fancy sprays, try this. Grab an old sock, we all have a few lurking in the back of the drawer, fill it with cat litter, the silica kind, not the clay, and tie it off. This little DIY moisture absorber is a game changer. Leave it in your car overnight and it'll soak up excess moisture like a thirsty cat at a water bowl, leaving your windows crystal clear. We've all baked ourselves in a sweltering car park on a scorching day. But before you crank up the AC and drain your battery, try this neat trick. Roll down the window on one side of the car completely. Now, go to the opposite side and open and close the door rapidly like you're fanning a fire. This creates a through draft, forcing out that stifling hot air and replacing it with cooler air from outside. It's simple physics and it works a treat. Dull yellowed headlights are not only an eyesore, they're a safety hazard. But before you shell out for expensive restoration kits, raid your bathroom cabinet instead. Grab your toothpaste. Yes, really. The mild abrasives in toothpaste work wonders on those cloudy headlights. Apply a dab to a clean cloth and buff those headlights in circular motions. You'll be amazed at the difference. It's like giving your car an instant eye lift. Cup holders, those black holes where loose change and crumbs go to die. But fear not, for I have the solution. Raid your kitchen drawers and grab those colorful silicone cupcake liners. Pop them into your cup holders and voila, instant organization. They'll not only prevent those annoying spills and crumbs from taking over your car, but they'll also add a splash of color to your interior. Who said organization couldn't be fun? Fumbling with your phone while driving is a recipe for disaster, but fancy phone mounts can be pricey. Fear not, my resourceful friend, all you need is a rubber band. Yes, one of those to create your own DIY phone mount. Simply thread the rubber band through the slats of your air vent, creating a secure loop to hold your phone. Job done. It's secure, it's adjustable, and it won't break the bank. There are few things more frustrating than discovering your car doors are frozen shut. But before you resort to brute force or a blowtorch, try this simple preventative measure. Grab your trusty cooking spray, yes, the stuff you use for pancakes, and give your door seals a quick spray. The oil in the spray acts as a barrier, preventing ice from forming and sealing those doors shut. It's a small step that can save you a world of pain on those frosty mornings. We've all experienced the heart-stopping thud of a car door hitting the garage wall. But fear not, because I have the perfect solution. And it involves a pool noodle. Yes, those colorful foam tubes aren't just for the swimming pool. Cut a pool noodle to size and attach it to your garage wall at door-dinging height. It acts as a brilliant bumper, cushioning any accidental knocks and saving your car from unsightly dents and scratches. It's like giving your car its own personal bodyguard. Driving with the sun in your eyes is not only annoying, it's dangerous. But fear not, if you find yourself without a sunshade, raid your or your neighbor's linen cupboard. A simple baby blanket draped over the car window makes a surprisingly effective sunshade. It'll block out those harmful rays, keeping you and your passengers cool and comfortable. Just make sure it's securely fastened so it doesn't end up flying off at the first sign of wind. So there you have it. Simple hacks that can transform your driving experience. Who knew that everyday household items could be repurposed into car-saving, stress-busting tools? Now you can tackle those common car woes with confidence and ingenuity, leaving you to focus on the important things, like enjoying the drive. Remember, a well-equipped car is a happy car, and a happy car makes for a happy driver. Now go forth and unlock your car's full potential.